It's nice the air. Across Mount Tapias. View the sunset for 720 steps. We did it. This is chop suey, and this is salad, cucumber, and
All
this
the
is
favorite of my wife,
inasal or
Shrimp,
grilled
fish.
pork. Okay. Then fish berry, kalami oy, and rice and sausawan. My favorite sausawan, yes, and my favorite shrimps. Smell good. Wow. And our fruits.
Natin ilagay yung fruits, ma'am.
Oh, sige. Wow, very good.
I'll put it now or you can put it later?
Yeah, no. Yeah.
I will put it now.
Yeah. Kaon na lang sa tea.
Pepper only with vinegar with little bit sugar.
Yeah.
This one is soya.
Oh, yeah. So
Yeah, we had already the.
To our friend, Calypso. Saan si Kuya? Andun. Ayan, punta kami doon sa mainland para sa aming zip line. Ayan, activity. Tapos na sila, kami naman. So, ito yung boat namin. Video. Wow, good morning Boracay. Oh, diba? Ayan. Very nice dito mga loves. Hindi na masyadong it's not much people in the morning. Maganda yung panahon. Super nice talaga. Napakaganda ng panahon mga loves. Yan. Punta na kayo ng Boracay. Malapit lang din sa Cebu. Malapit sa Cebu. Ayan. Like 31 degrees Celsius today. I think so. Nandito kami sa Boracay Galleria at malapit lang yung hotel namin. Nandito sa Calypso Beach and Resort. Ayan mga loves. Andyan lang yung aming hotel. At look at that. Wala nang nag-upo dito. Kami lang. Nice coconut oil. Very nice talaga. Dito sa Boracay. Babalik kami dito mga loves. Ang ganda talaga ng Boracay mga loves. Pakalinis, wala nang lumot. Pwede na kayong pumunta dito. Ayan. Ganda dito mag-parasailing, daming mga sports activities. Boracay activities. Maganda yung panahon. So, andito na kami sa Caticlan Airport going back to Cebu. Yan, meron naman silang canteen here. Ayan.
Okay. Yeah, I still record.